Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Dear kids, we are going to hear a moral story today. The name of the story is The Ant and the Dove. You will learn about the value of good cause in this story. If you take a step towards kindness, it will definitely revert to you one day.
An ant went to the bank of a river to quench its thirst. It slipped and fell into the water and nearly drowned. The ant was swiftly carried by the river. A dove sitting on a tree plucked a leaf and threw it in water. The ant climbed onto it and floated in safely to the bank.
For more information, visit our website.
A few days passed. One day a bird catcher came and stood under the tree where the dove lived. He started making arrangements to catch birds. The ant, realizing his plan, stung him in the foot. The bird catcher shouted so loud that the dove flew away. Moral of the story is, good work is always returned, so keep doing good in the every phase of your life.